Assalamualaikum students. Today we will solve question number 8 of exercise 4b. It says the graph shows the cumulative frequency curves of the daily traveling expenses of 800 students into schools A and B. So we have two curves of two different schools, school A and school B in the graph. Use the graph to estimate the median traveling expenses of the students from school A and B. So there are 800 students of each school, so the median will be of 50% of 800 or 400. Drawing the line at 400. So this is for school A and this is for school B. This is 42 and for school B is 58. So answer is, so school 8 is 42, the median, and for school B is median is 58. Part B. Find the interquartile range of the traveling of expenses for school A and B. So interquartile range will be upper quartile minus lower quartile. So upper quartile is on 75%. So 75% of 800 is 600. So this is upper quartile for school A and school B. Part B first. Upper quartile for school A is 58, 56, and 55, I guess, yes. Minus lower quartile. So lower quartile will be on 25% of 800, which is 200. So check the value of travel expenses for 200 cumulative frequency curve. First one, and this is, yes, for school A, the lower quartile is this 30. So the interquartile range will be 25. For school B, the upper quartile is this 61, 71, and lower quartile is 50, 48, 47. Yes, 47. So 24. This was 56. For school A, the upper quartile was 56. So 56 minus 30 gives you 26. Next part, part C. Find the 80th percentile of the traveling expenses of the students from school B. So 80% of total, 80th percentile mean 80% of total. Total is 800. So it will be 640. So checking the traveling expenses on 640. This is 700. It means one small box representing 20. This is 640. So this will be 72, 74, and 75. So this is answer of part C. Next, part D. State with the reason whether the students from school A and school B spend more on daily traveling expenses. So yes, you can see in the curve that the curve school A has less traveling expenses for most of the students, whereas school B, the curve starts from 20 and it ends at 100. So most of the students have greater expenses as compared to the school A. So that is why school B is answer. Answer is school B. So school B students uh, have greater travel expenses as compared to school A. Question number 10. The cumulative frequency curves show the distribution and marks scored by a 500 cadets in a physical fitness test from each of the two military schools, A and B. For school A, estimate from the graph the median mark. So median for the school A, total number of students 500. The median will be over 50% of 500 or 250. So where is 250? This is this line representing 250. So the median will be 50, as this is 50. The 70th percentile. 70th percentile means 70% of total. Total 500. So it will be 350. Go check the marks at 350. So it is 350. So it's about 60. Yes, 60. The interquartile range will be upper quartile minus in lower quartile, upper quartile at 75%. 75% of 500 will be 75% of 500. 75 over 100 into 500. So it will be 375. So where is 370? This is 350. So here 375. So it's 62 upper quartile minus lower quartile, lower quartile of 25% of 500. So it is 125. So where is 125? 100, 10, 20. This is 125. This is 32, 33, I guess. Yes, 33. So it gives you 29. This is interquartile range. Part 4. The number of cadets who score less than 43 marks. Where is 43 marks? 42. Yes, 42. This is 43. Yes, 200 students. Or one. Me. No, it is 43. 42. This is 43. Yes, this is 5 less than 200 or 195. The passing marks, given that 60% of the candidate, cadets passed the exam. 60% of the cadets, so we will see from top. 60% from top will be 40% from bottom. So 40% from bottom, 40% of total. Total students are 500 with 200. So it is 44. So passing marks will be 44%. So in part B, it is given that a distinction grade is equivalent to 70 marks and above. Find the percentage of the cadets who scored distinction in each school. So 70% means this. In each school. For this is for school A, for this is for school B. So this value is 410, 20, 30, and 435. So it means the number of students who got distinction in school B will be 500 minus 435 equal to 65 students. For school A, it will be this. These are the number of students who got distinction. So this value is 355. So the total number of students who got distinction in school B will be 500 minus 355 equal to 145. So their percentages will be in part B for school A 65 over, I'm doing here, for school A 65, 65 students over total number of students 500, multiply by 100%. So it will be 13%. For school B, students are 145. So 145 over 500, total number of students multiplied by 100%. So it will be 29%. So this was part B. Okay, last part, part C. Cadets from school B performed better in general than school A. Do you agree? Give two reasons to support your answer. Yes, agreed. You can see that the curve starts from greater than 10, whereas the curve at school A starts from 0. And most of the students got distinction. Uh, and 145 students got distinction in school B, whereas only 65 students got distinction in school A. So overall performance of the school B students is much better than school A students. So question number 12. The waiting times of 60 clients at a bank on a particular day were measured. The cumulative frequency curve shows the waiting time and the number of clients with waiting times more than T minutes. Estimate the lower quartile, median, and upper quartile waiting times in the bank. So, first step is lower quartile 25% of 60, 25% of 60 will be 15. So, let me see where this is 15. So, the lower quartile is 15 point something. Uh, so, it means 15.5 because one small box representing yes, zero point 0.5, yes, 15.5 something, yes, or 15.25, 15.5, one small box representing point 5, so half of one small box will be 0.25 or zero point 0.5 divided by 2, so it will be 15.5. So the lower quartile is 15.5. Lower quartile 15.25. Next is median. Median will be 50% of 60, which is 30. So this is median. And obviously this is 13. Last in upper quartile. 75% of 60, which is 45. Yes, it is exactly 10. So upper quartile is 10. Part B, find the percentage of the clients who waited for not more than 15 minutes at the bank. It means it have to find the number of people who waited for less than or equal to 15 minutes. So this is 15. So these are the people. 10, 12, 14, 16. So 16 people. So the percentage will be, this is 16. So the percentage will be 16 over total 50. No, sorry, 60 into 100%. So 16 divided by 60 into 100. So it gives you 26.7%. So it will be 60 minus as 60 total. These are the people. So we have to subtract 16 from 60. So 60 minus 16. So 60 minus 16 gives you 44 people. 44 divided by 60 into 100%. So it is 73.3%. Yes. Part C. For the same 60 clients, a second cumulative frequency curve is plotted to show the waiting time t and the number of clients with waiting time less than or equal to t minutes. What does the intersection of the two cumulative curve represents? Explain your answer clearly. So this curve should be like just like this as. So if this is a intersection, so obviously this point of intersection will give you the median. So this point of intersection gives you the median of the two curves because the data is same. So these are the questions for practice. Question number 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 in your home assignment. Take care. Allah Hafiz.